Oh, that was Bentley's first flight with T-38. I don't think he's even flown it regularly, aside from just cruising it around. That's because I crashed his jet. So, for first flight of the morning, I was behind him, and my nose got up underneath him and tapped him and pushed us over, and it went in. The canopy came off of it when it happened, so he couldn't see anything. Probably could have saved it if he could see what was going on, but he couldn't see what was going on. So, anyways, that sucked. Didn't do anything to this thing. But you can see the mark underneath it. It's got a little red paint swap. Hit him right on center almost. It's on video, so we'll post that.